Opening to the right side.
Inhale down. Area or the painful area is your lower back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now, intention of the today's class is, you can open your eyes, we will be practicing core. Multiple variations of core exercises are there. Standing is there, sitting is there, supine is there, prone is there. But while practicing core sequence, you get lost of breath or shortage of breath. So you have to learn that how are you integrating your breath with the movement. Point number 1. Point number 2, when I am talking about the core, the most impacted, the area or the painful area is your lower back. Okay, so if you are coming out or keeping a pause in between, then take a gentle any back strengthening sequence. Like suppose we are still holding for 21, then what are you going to do it? You are going to do a twist which helps you to relax your back. All right. ठीक है. We'll start with activation of your breath. Throughout the class you do your ujjayi breathing. Throughout the class ujjayi breathing. This is the most powerful breath. Bhastrika pranayam, sir will be teaching you Bhastrika. Active inhalation, active exhalation, sir is giving you the instructions of. So we are activating your breath.
Both the hands up to the ceiling. Interlace your fingers. Make it posite, palms facing ceiling. Make a lateral stretch, pulse. Up, not bulging here, go up, palms up, shifting a little back. Now stretch, left, right, left, right. Release your hands up. We are going to do a forceful exhalation here and passive inhalation. Up. So sometimes continue doing that. Sometimes you have a pain at your arms, at your hands. It will release that tension from your hands and the shoulder also. More forceful. Come to Vajrasana and do, ma'am. Otherwise you can't able to, your hands can't able to reach to the ground. Otherwise you can be here and here also you can do it. Now try to come on your knees, everyone come on your knees and try to do the same posture again. Continue the posture.
Relaxed. Fold forward in Sashankrasana. Gunas. Rajas. The solar energy is from the gunas of Rajas, and the Bhastrika Pranayam is an excellent practice to activate Rajas. Now this Rajas practice is to activate Sattva, the silence, the purity.
I'll give one posture here. I'll give one posture.
Forehead touching the floor. Continue your forehead touching the floor. Hip is resting on the heels. Interlace your fingers back of your chest. Open your shoulder. Palms facing your body. Straighten your hand. Maybe you can push over the head. Hands will go to the right side. Your head will go to the left side. So you are turning to the left. Come back to center. Change your direction. Opening to the right side. So your left shoulder joint, arm joint, touching your left knee. Your shoulder is opening to the right side. Forehead back to center. Release your hands.
Coming to the core sequence, sitting in Vajrasana, taking the bricks to the side of the body, standing in the second height, standing to the second height. The bricks are on the mat. Otherwise, change the direction of yourself. From here, get your thighs closer to each other and tuck out the tailbone, thighs, 1 minute. Rounding the spine, you are just lifting the lower back up. Toes down, knees off, lower back is up, pressing the hand on the bricks. Inhale, come down. Exhale, relaxed. We'll multiply this for another 4. Breathing in, breathe out and move up. Hold. This is a forward fold. That's why you are doing exhalation. Inhale and come down. Exhale, relaxed. Third, inhale first. Exhale. Inhale down. Staying there, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, come down, exhale, release. You stretch the hands forward. We done with 5? 1. We have done the 5 sets. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The last one is with hold. Come on. If you are feeling lighter and if you can move your toes off, you can do that. Yeah. But the benefit comes from not lifting the toes but engaging your core muscles. breathing in and breathe out, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Exhale, release.